Can you spot the speaker in this room? Meet the hidden hub, the smart speaker that blends in, not stands out. With 360-degree sound and automatic room calibration, it adjusts to your space for perfect acoustics anywhere. It connects to your smart home devices, learns your preferences, and disappears into your decor. Control everything from your phone, from volume and bass to your lighting scenes. It's audio luxury in disguise, minimalist on the outside, mighty on the inside. The hidden hub, where sound meets smart and tech meets taste. The hidden hub doesn't just play music, it senses your presence and adjusts lighting and audio to match your mood. Thanks to built-in sensors and adaptive sound tech, analyzes the room shape and customizes audio in real time. Control lights, locks, or your morning playlist with just your voice. It's your central smart hub for the entire home. From deep bass drops to soft jazz or your favorite podcast, Hidden Hub delivers studio-grade sound, no matter what you're into. Sleek, wireless, and versatile, you can mount it, move it, or hide it in plain sight. This tiny speaker? It's called the Pebble, and it's bringing big sound in a small shell. Don't let the size fool you. With crystal clear audio and solid bass, this speaker punches above its weight. Bluetooth ready, fast pairing, and built to last for hours on a single charge. Take it to the beach, the park, or even your bathroom. It's portable, durable, and ready to go. Want more power? Pair two Pebbles for a stereo experience that fills the whole room. Wake up with music, not noise. The Pebble speaker doubles as your stylish smart alarm. Available in sleek matte finishes, pastels, or metallics, Pebble fits your style and space like a charm. Got a call? Answer it hands-free. With built-in mic and smart assistant support, you're always connected. Set up as a breeze, auto pairing, and ready to rock in seconds. Going somewhere? The Pebble's compact size makes it the perfect travel buddy. Fits in your pocket, then expands to fill the whole room with sound. That's the bump-out magic. Thanks to its built-in magnets, you can stick it almost anywhere and turn any space into a party zone. Customize it with snapshells to match your vibe, sleek, bold, or low-key. Just pair it with your phone or tablet, and boom, no wires, no hassle. Whether you're riding, working, hiking, or chilling, bump-out keeps the beats going strong. Bump out, the speaker that grows with your vibe. Let's talk what's inside the bump. The bump-out speaker isn't just cool, it's seriously capable. With up to 8 hours of playtime on a single charge, this little beast keeps going from sunrise to sundown. Engineered with a custom micro driver and expanding chamber, it boosts sound pressure like a mini subwoofer. Pair in seconds. Stay connected within a 33-foot radius, indoors or out. Want more depth? Pair two bump-outs together for true wireless stereo. And yes, it's splash resistant, so poolside playlists are totally on. Bump-out tech that's small in size, massive in energy. Let's talk what's inside the bump. The bump-out speaker isn't just cool, it's seriously capable. With up to 8 hours of playtime on a single charge, this little beast keeps going from sunrise to sundown. Want instant party vibes with zero setup? Say hello to Moodlight, your free online disco light. Whether you're chilling solo, throwing a mini rave, or setting the mood, just open the site, and boom! Instant color show. Choose from strobe, disco, chill mood lights, and more. Perfect for bedroom parties, Zoom calls, or even a dance break at work. Works on your phone, laptop, or tablet. No downloads, no accounts, just tap and vibe. Customize colors, speed, and brightness, and let your screen do all the glowing. Want instant party vibes with zero setup? Say hello to Moodlight, your free online disco light. Whether you're chilling solo, throwing a mini rave, or setting the mood, just open the site, and boom! Instant color show. Choose from strobe, disco, chill mood lights, and more. Perfect for bedroom parties, Zoom calls, or even a dance break at work. Works on your phone, laptop, or tablet. No downloads, no accounts, just tap and vibe. Customize colors, speed, and brightness, and let your screen do all the glowing. Did you know Moodlight isn't just for parties? It's perfect for studying, relaxing, or even meditating. Switch to slow fade mode for calming vibes. Great for unwinding after a long day. Need an epic glow for your gaming setup? Let your monitor become your RGB light show. Customize your light, pick your favorite color, adjust the speed, or even sync it with music. Use it on your TV during a hangout or while playing lo-fi beats in the background. Mood Light, turn any screen into a vibe, anytime, anywhere. This is the One X biosensor, the future of personal health, worn on your skin. It tracks your nutritional biomarkers in real time: hydration, glucose, electrolytes, and more. Paired with the One X app, it gives you instant insights so you know exactly what your body needs, when it needs it. Training hard? Fuel smarter. The biosensor helps you avoid burnout, cramping, and fatigue before it even starts. Not just for athletes, it's for anyone who wants to feel sharper, recover faster, and perform better. From nutrition to performance, track it, tweak it, own it with One X. The One X biosensor doesn't just track your health, it helps you optimize it. Got low hydration or muscle fatigue coming on? One X gives you live, science-based suggestions to fix it fast. Track your nutrient flow, glucose stability, and even focus levels, all from a patch that weighs practically nothing. It's like having a personal lab on your arm, but smarter, smaller, and always on. From high performers to everyday wellness warriors, One X works for everybody. Because when you understand your body in real time, you perform like never before. Don't just take our word for it, thousands are unlocking their full potential with One X. I used to guess when I needed to refuel. Now, One X tells me exactly when to hydrate and recover. Trusted by health experts and performance coaches, One X brings lab-grade insights to your daily life. Accuracy. Simplicity. Instant feedback. The reviews say it all. Setup takes just minutes, peel, pair, and you're in control. One X isn't just for athletes, it's for anyone who wants to live better, move smarter, and feel unstoppable. Get your edge. Get your data. Get One X. Meet Sense 8, the all-in-one home security system that protects your space without the hassle. No wires. No hubs. No monthly fees. Just plug it in and you're protected in minutes. Get instant alerts, live video, and sound monitoring right from your phone. Sense 8 is smart. It combines a camera, motion detector, siren, and environmental sensors all in one device. Day or night, home or away, Sense 8 watches when you can't. Sense 8 doesn't just alert you, it records, remembers, and responds instantly. In an emergency, it sends automated alerts to loved ones, so help is always one tap away. Worried about privacy? Sense 8's got you covered with a physical camera shutter for peace of mind. Get notified when packages arrive or visitors step near your home, even when you're miles away. One device. One app. Total protection for houses, apartments, even rental properties. No subscriptions. No contracts. Just smart, secure living with Sense 8. This is Easy Psycho, the rack-free backpack that's built to move with your ride. Say goodbye to wobble, sway, and shifting weight. Easy Psycho stays tight, centered, and secure no matter how hard you ride. Smart inside and out, with space for your gear, tech, tools, and more, all in a weatherproof build. Rain? No problem. The Easy Psycho is built tough and water-resistant. Perfect for city riders, commuters, and weekend warriors who want freedom without the bulk. Commute. Cruise. Climb. The Easy Psycho backpack moves with you, not against you. Thanks to its dynamic stabilizer system, it hugs your back through every bump, turn, and sprint. With built-in laptop protection and quick access pockets, it's made for work rides, school runs, or gear days. Ventilated. Balanced. Built tough. This is comfort and control in one clean design. From city streets to scenic trails, no racks, no bounce, no limits.